Do you know what people go through for the sake of love? Sacrifices, heartbreaks, betrayal, deception, jealousy, and disappointments. Marshall is in a relationship with Grace, and he is in love, but it's a one-sided love. He believes he can change Grace and turn her into an amazing girlfriend who will respond to his desires. However, the honeymoon phase has passed. His relationship with Grace is toxic. He tries his level best to bring excitement back into the relationship. And in his attempt, he falls into a magical world. Would you die for the woman you love? Would you abandon your family for the woman you love? Marshall and Grace have their own flaws, which are dreadful. Love and lies lie in their veins. Will they be able to save the love relationship and let the rose grow and delight in their hearts? Or will they fail to save the love relationship and remain dead inside as a rose inside a vase without water? A relationship without respect is no good for two people, and a gullible person can lose it all within the blink of an eye. Love can get you killed. What would you do for love? This is a novel by Marshall Makubo. Love Lies Beautiful and Ugly. Please subscribe and please follow the page on Instagram and Facebook. Your efforts will be appreciated, and thank you for listening.